What if I told you everything Chopin will say in this ballade, the drama, the melody, the chaos, is already in the first 7 bars?
Chapter 1. The Declaration.
The first ballade doesn't start with a melody. It begins with a declaration. Two low Cs, not soft, not hesitant. Forte and largo. It's a spotlight turning on. Chopin is announcing, this is the beginning of something. Something is about to unfold.
Chapter 2. The Question, the DNA.
And then, the big, heavy curtains in the theater begin to rise. And for this, Chopin writes pesante, meaning heavy. A long, winding arpeggio suspended in time. It feels like a question asked from somewhere far away. We're not in the story yet. We're watching it begin to form from the outside. The harmony for this arpeggio doesn't quite fit in G minor at first, and that's intentional. The arpeggio is built on A flat major with an added B flat, a Neapolitan ninth chord. It's in first inversion. Chopin keeps it hollow, open, unresolved, like a dream that hasn't taken shape yet. And here's the secret. The arpeggio is not just background or an introduction. It's the seed of the ballade's main theme, the DNA. It's not yet fully formed, but it's already present. Let me show you. When I play the first octave of the arpeggio, notice what happens if I change the order of the last two notes before starting again at A flat. I get the basic shape of the theme. This shape is present in the main theme. In this transition at bar 36, in the lyrical section, in the reiteration of the main theme before A major, we can also hear an echo of this theme in the A major section. When the lyrical section returns triumphantly, and at the end of the piece, just before the big coda. This coda is also based completely on this theme. In simple terms, the coda goes B flat A, G F sharp, D to C sharp. We can reduce the distance between these notes and then rearrange them to get this. This introductory arpeggio echoes throughout the piece in a major way, but never in desperation, always in melancholy or exultation.
Chapter 3. The Tail End.
The tail end of our arpeggio is going to be in bar 3. As you can hear, this shape revolving around these 3 notes will later transform into the lyrical theme. The mini waltz. Here he uses all of the notes, and of course in the fire of the coda.
Chapter 4. Finding Clarity.
At bars 4 and 5, the question continues, but we're getting closer. The harmony starts to lean into G minor. Like a lens focusing, the image is becoming clear. We're no longer just watching, we're being drawn in. These 2 bars are the beginning of the confirmation of a tonality that has not even been really mentioned yet. Here Chopin is breaking the dream. These 2 bars are the transition that will introduce us to the protagonist of this story.
Chapter 5. The Protagonist.
And then she steps into the spotlight. The protagonist, one voice, lyrical, and unmistakably human. This is the character who will carry the ballade. The voice or character continuously transforms, sometimes fragile, sometimes exalted, sometimes tormented.
Conclusion.
It's a transformation from silence to question to identity. If you play with intention, the whole ballade starts to breathe. Did you ever notice this in the ballade? If you want to go deeper into the ballades with me, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this gives you a new perspective. Next week, we'll explore how to play and interpret the magical opening in detail. See you then. Stay musical.